Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can completely get rid of shorts from YouTube on your YouTube page. Now, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is hop onto YouTube, but as you can see, when you go to these settings, there is no option, sadly. Now, what you need to do, I found a workaround. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to your preferred browser, head down to the different tabs, and open up the extension. Now you can manage the extension and hop onto the Chrome Web Store, because there's a very nice extension called YouTube Shorts Block. Now this is the one I'm talking about. Simply open this up and add to Chrome. Now as you can see here, you can add the extension, and what this will do, once you're inside of YouTube, you can refresh YouTube, and right now here, as you can see, there are no shorts in my feed, which is way better, because otherwise you'll get a very much distracted a lot of the times. Now from here, if you want to delete it, simply delete the YouTube Shorts Block extension, and that's about it. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.